1/4, add 2/3. So I've got two bars here that are exactly the same length, so each of these are a whole. So if I highlight 1/4, which is this bit here, and if I highlight 2/3, which is this bit here, now we can see quite visually this is going to be quite hard to do just looking at it. So for example, if I take this 1/4 and I take the 2/3 as well, and I put them next to each other, nothing really you can do. We can see quite clearly that they're not making a whole. But I'm going to have to do some more work before I can figure out what we need to do. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find a common denominator. So we're going to find equivalent fractions to these two fractions here with a common denominator so that we can compare them and add them together. So I need to find out my common denominator first. So if I look at my multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, look at our multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm going to stop there because I can see that 12 appears in both. So that's my plan. I'm going to change 1/4 to be something over 12. And I'm also going to change 2/3 to be something over 12. Now to make sure they're equivalent fractions, I need to make sure that whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So here I've done 4 times 12. 4 times something is 12. What's that something? I need to do it backwards, inverse operations. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I've times by 3 on the bottom, so I need to times by 3 on the top. 1 times 3 is 3, so I've got 3/12. And then I've got 3, how do you get from 3 to 12? So 3 times what is 12? Again, do it backwards, inverse operations. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I'm timesing by 4 on the bottom, I'm timesing by 4 on the top. So that's 8/12. So now I've got 3/12 add 8/12, which I can easily add these together. And if I show you visually, so if you look back at our bars, our 1/4 has now turned into our 3/12, and our 2/3 has now turned into our 8/12. So if I grab these and put them here, and if I grab these and put them here, they're all 12ths. So now I know that altogether I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 12ths. So 3 add 8 is 11/12. See here how you do not add the denominator. You don't need to, because you're just adding these 3/12 to these 8/12, which means altogether I've got 11/12.